There are millions of people starving in the world in consequences of the lack of food and its production. Employees are just not able to perform all these tasks manually, and even if machines are being used, they are just not fast enough or sophisticated enough.
We cannot allow this to happen. We must do something. With this idea in mind, Iten was born, a machine that makes everything simpler, with the most advanced software, where quality meets quickness.
Iten is not like any other autonomous machine for producing food. It is innovative from the design to the software that allows it to connect with various machines from our brand. In the way you have Iten being the center of control, the brain and working bee. This machine is able to elaborate any kind of food for vegans, carnivores, omnivores, etc. By changing the code of its software, it's able to do this, and you don't have to worry of anything. We will take care of your machine that satisfies all of your needs and complies at 100%.
Iten is created to save as much water and use as little electric power as possible. It has solar panels if you need them, or it can be connected to an electric source of power as well. With this kind of technology, you will be able to save almost 50% of the time in comparison to using other equipment or even manual manufacture.
Our prices are very accessible and vary according to the amount of machines and type of coding you need. In any case it may be, you will not find any other company that has the same quality and technology we offer you. So, don't doubt it any longer and contact any of our supply managers.
My experience during this round was pretty good. I could know more of the different problems in the world and how it can be solved if we join and try to make better things using the technology, and that everything is possible, like for example making robots and trying to use them as machines that really help us.
What I learned about all of these research experiences was to get a little bit more of perspective into real cases that are going around into the world, real problems that people are having right now, and actually putting myself in their situation to be able to solve it. So in this case, it was Venezuela and how hard it is for them to find food because of the lack of food production. So it put me in a situation where I actually had to come up with something to try and help them and try to solve that problem.
In this round, I learned more about the problematic we needed to solve and how this is affecting people. Also, I learned that this is a big issue and it needs to be solved. I learned how to use mechatronics and robotics to create new items to try to solve this problem, and this gave me a bigger idea of how this can be helpful for different kind of problems.